Hello guys, today we are replacing the inverter control board to a Bosch refrigerator, but unfortunately this inverter is not available at the moment here. So what we're gonna do is just we're gonna use the GE, and I'm gonna show you that the connections are completely different, but I'm gonna show you how we're gonna make this work on the GE inverter. First of all, I'm gonna open here. And then we're gonna open this box, and this is what we want. So this is our 12-volt part, and also this is gonna be the 120 connections. So what we're gonna do is just connect the same connections into the new inverter. So this is the G inverter, so, and it still works. We're just gonna pretty much reconnect the old connections. So those are the old ones, so these are the new ones, you know, I mean the original ones. So okay, we're gonna connect that one in there. And also this is the 120 connections. All right, so now it's ready to connect everything back. This ground, we don't need it. We're gonna use our ground on here, and then we're just gonna connect everything back in here. It's a little bit tight spot. Let's see. All right. So we can make that. Slide that. And we're gonna put this down here. Let's see. Perfectly fine. So now we're just gonna connect the original connections where they're supposed to go. One there. And one there. Yeah. You see? Alright, so just like that. We use this is the original box, the inverter. And we put the GE one, and like you guys can see, it fit perfectly fine with no problem. Now we're just gonna plug it in and make sure it's gonna come. We just need to connect the ground, and then we all set. The compressor just came on. Just waiting on the fan. Okay, we put everything back. Compressor is running again, and condenser fan is running too. So just like that, we finished with this repair. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. Like I said, this is a Bosch refrigerator, and we installed the GE controller.